Hi guys, it's Vanessa Helen here. Some of you guys may know me as Just Call Me Helen on Instagram. Today I'm going to be doing like a first impressions review kind of thing on the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, the bright one. You can see it. I have been dying to play with like bright color eyeshadows, and when I saw this I was like, oh my gosh, like gotta try it out, you know. So these are the colors. Look how pretty they are. Yeah, I've barely been like tapping into like eyeshadows. I wasn't big on it. I never thought I was going to be. You know, I didn't think it was for me or whatever, you know. But then I got the Androgyny palette from Jeffree Star, and like I fell in love. And then I just started playing with eyeshadows more, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I want to play more with it, and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, we're just going to get right into it, and I'll stop rambling. Okay, I already primed my face using the NYX Hydra Touch. You can see it. Oil primer. I never used that before. It feels pretty nice and soft on my face. And then we're just gonna go into the NYX Total Control. I don't know if you can see it. Drops. I have used this before, but I used it maybe like 2 shades lighter. So I need to take off those glasses. Because it is a matte foundation, I just like to spray my sponge with any kind of setting spray. Sorry, my bad. I've never really used this foundation by itself. I usually like add in a different, mix in a foundation with it, you know, but we're just gonna see how this works out. I need my glasses because I can't even see how I look. Okay. Let's see. Looks pretty good. Alright. Which ones? I'm gonna conceal with the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. This is my all-time favorite. I don't even know if you can see it. I can't see it. My eyes are blurry because I don't have my glasses on. But we're just gonna conceal. I'm gonna use ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 20 just to highlight underneath my...
Mama,
yes,
okay,
baby.
look.
This is my daughter. What happened, baby?
Okay.
Oh, I know, it's part of my phone, baby. Let's just dip into it now. Let's see. I think for my transition color, I'm going to use Too Faced's Natural Matte and probably Honey Butter. I don't know if you can see it right there. Just as a transition color for these bright colors. Don't even know if I washed my brushes. Sorry, I don't know if you can see me. I'm over here looking at my mirror down here. Alright, so I'm just gonna pack on, let's see, I'm gonna pack on probably this bright pink right here. I was gonna do yellow on top because I wanted to match my shirt, Pokemon. But I think I'm gonna use the pink. It doesn't really match with that, but we're just gonna do it anyways, okay? I'm gonna do the blue. No, okay, we're gonna do pink. Alright. Lord help us. Here we go. It's really pigmented. Ah! Do you see this? Do you see this? I am the most clumsiest person ever. Of course that would happen to me, you know? Let's just put some foundation over that and cover it up. Can you see that? It looks really pink. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna turn off the light so you can see, unless I made it worse, then my bad. But I needed to see, so just give me a second. I'm just packing it on the lid. I don't want to go up because then it's just gonna look like a big pink crazy mess, and you don't want that. It's okay if it looks a little crazy right now, we'll blend it out, you know. This pink is really pretty though. I mean, I swatched it on my hand the other day and I was like, wow, like these colors are pretty, but I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out like on the eyelids, you know. Just gonna do the other side. I think that's about good enough right now. We're just gonna, I'm sorry, I was using the, gosh, what's about this? Morphe E32 brush, flat brush, just to put the pink on my eyes. And now I'm gonna use the Morphe E17 brush. I don't know if you can see it. People do that, but is it working? Whatever. To blend it on the top of my eyes. Let's do that. Oh my gosh. I did not clean this brush. So I don't know if you can see that. My hand's a little blue. Yeah, it's just not necessarily how I wanted it to turn out, but I guess it'll work. Clean your brushes, guys, because else you're gonna end up like me. Okay, I'm going with this bright yellow color at the very bottom right there to just put underneath my eyes. See how that works, you know? Oh my god. Try blowing off the excess and spit a little on it. That happens, right? I'm not the only one. Don't lie, people. Or lie to me and make me feel better. Alright, you know what? Looks pretty good. The yellow isn't as bright as I thought it was going to be, but maybe it's just my lighting. Sorry, I'm just blending it in right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera because I'm taking too long, and then I'll come back after. Can you see me? Hi guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. Sorry I don't have any falsies on. I'll try to I'll try to get more experienced on that. I'm still a rookie. But yeah, this is the finished look. I know it's kind of weird for me to do like a first impressions on my first video, but yeah, I don't know, I wanted to do something different, you know. I honestly really recommend that palette for anyone that wants to try out really bright colors, you know. It's a really good palette. The colors blend easily and they're really pretty, you know. I'm gonna have to work with it because, you know, I'm not used to it, but yeah. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, all of my videos, they're not gonna be like this, you know, not all crazy and messy or whatever. It's just, you know, obviously first video, you know, not really, well, I wasn't really like prepared for all this, you know. But yeah, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, please. My videos will be better, I promise. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I recommend the NYX Ultimate Palette Brights Color Eyeshadow Palette. It is really good. I'm gonna go now. Thank you. Bye guys.